Good morning to all. Myself Vinod Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to learn a topic connection. As we know that a steel structure is an assembly of different elements which are connected fastened to one end so that they will get act together as a single composite unit. Connections acting as a medium to for transfer a force, load or movement from one member to another. The following types of connection are that is rivet connection, uh, bolted connection, welded connection, pin connection, and connection of webs. First one is bolted connection. A bolt may be defined as a metal pin with the head at one end and shank at the other end to receive a nut. A steel washer are provided under the bolt as well as nut to distribute the climbing pressure of the bolt member to prevent threaded portion of the bolt from bearing on the connecting piece. And the bolted connection are classified into based on the force transferred, based on the type of force, based on the force mechanism. Based on the force transfer, that is concentric connection, load passes through center of gravity, eccentric load away from center of gravity, moment of resistance connection. And based on the type of force, shear connection, tension connection, combination of shear and tension connection, that is bracing. And the third one is based on the force mechanism, bearing type mechanism and friction type mechanism is followed. In bearing type, bolt bear against the hole to transfer the force. In friction type, the force is transferred by friction. Type of bolt: unfinished or black bolt. Bearing type of bolt, it is also called as ordinary common rough bolt, made from mild steel rods with a square or hexagonal head. Normal diameter is 16 mm, 20 mm, 24 mm, 30 mm and 36 mm are commonly used. In finished or tanned bolt, the shank of this bolt are found by hexagonal round. For third one is high strength bolt, made by medium carbon heated treated with the steel to form a alloy steel. Has high strength, two or more times than the ordinary bolt. Available the sizes 16 mm to 36 mm. Types of bolt connection. First one is lap joint. Two members are overlapped and connected together form a one member, that is known as lap joint. Here the steel plate is laid over the another plate by bolt. It may be single bolt or double bolt lap joint. In butt joint, two member are connected or placed to form a one member, that is known as butt joint. Additional plates are provided on either side are known as cover plate. The figure shows the single bolted butt joint, and then this is the double bolted butt joint. This is single cover butt joint, and this is single cover double bolted butt joint. Thank you.